Hey guys, it is the WWE Boss here, and today we are here with a TLC match for you guys. And this one is Kane and Road Dogg versus The Miz and Primo. TLC. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, way better. So, let's get started here. And, did you turn entrances off? Crap. No, I did not. So, so how was your life? Mr. A. Oh yeah, that's his partner. Really don't. And here's me, Kane. If you guys are saying, hey, you were already him in the Royal Rumble. Well, no, technically, he was the old version of Kane. Ha ha ha, technicalities. You guys are probably...
Besides, we're not going to be always switching.
Yeah, you guys are probably sitting there like, oh, you bitch. Technicalities and crap. We're using a wide variety of characters. And instead of Primo, it's Epico. Ah! Wait, what? I thought it was Primo! Huh? Oh no, it's Primo then. And it's just Epico. No, I swear to God, I thought it was Primo. I'm not even joking.
Here we go, and in this TLC matchup, it's going to put these two teams' toughness and resilience.
Why am I missing?
What's he planning here? He's picked up a table.
No, you have not.
That's gotta hurt. Hey!
So, hey, dude, I just did my signature. How? Like this?
The Irish whip.
I'm just gonna spam that. Hey, this is bad camera quality. That hurt. Watch this. Everyone needs to watch this. I don't know how he does this. Oh, I really can't ignite this. Are you serious? Here, let me... I'm made out of fire. Maybe Kane can ignite it. Well, I don't know how they do it, but somehow you need the stick, remember? So no, you don't. Yeah, you do. Reach under the table and try and get a stick. No, trust me. He, like, grabs something off of his shoe. He, like, grabs, like, lighter fluid off of his shoe and then throws it all over the table, and then the table just randomly catches on fire. Hey, guard me.
The excitement of the air, good grief, tremendous impact for that ladder. He swung wild with that.
Did I not just say guard me? I'm trying. Alright, I'll get the other guy.
This could be coming down any second. Talk about an immovable. It nearly got away from him. And we're going back.
Is it really gonna end that fast? No, it's not letting me freaking get it. That was not fair. How long was I grabbing it that frick? Well, you can see how loose it is. Oh, heck no. Push him down. No. Hey, at the ladder. Get down from there. Oh, through the table. Through the table. Yeah. Uh-huh. Through the table. Who likes my singing? Through the table. Yeah.
How do I get it on fire?
Through the table. I know you don't need the stick. I've done it. I was in an extreme... Guys, post in the comments if you think you need the stick. I was in an Extreme Rules match with... Oh, God. I was in an Extreme Rules match. You done derped. I know this for a fact. Hey, put that ladder down. I was in an Extreme Rules match as Alberto Del Rio against The Big Show, and I pulled out a table from under the ring, and when I walked up to it, it said hit Y to ignite. Why isn't it working? Ha 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 ha. Again, there it goes. You bitch. With your gay humor and whatnot. Really? I just broke the table by barely touching it. It's very sensitive tables. I can now see how this is fake. No, you don't. slowly.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Go up to his head, and you can hit A to...
I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the... Whoa, hang on there.
No, they took...
Oh, that wasn't
They moved the ladder. That was me, actually.
Look at this.
You son. I'm sorry. I just jumped off the ladder. I couldn't control where I go.
Transpired thus far. It's been so physical. He's spending more time outside the ring than in it. Oh, and he knocks him down with a tackle. A swift kick. Things are
I'll be right back.
Kane's going idle.
What
And
are
that
you
means you are too.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to get some dots.
Wow, you fat soul.
Yeah.
I'm back.
And that one hurt his hand.
Oh yeah. It's signature time.
Kane, with all that strength, all that power, has got to be intimidating. Painfully intimidating. What incredible
That hurt. That hurt.
Primo. Please be careful.
No. Oh, out of the ring? Really?
Ball to the ground hard.
That sucks.
These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. He missed.
Come here, come here.
We've seen this.
Hiya, yeah, yeah, go. Oh, who just disturbed me? When I was choke-a-slamming. No, I think you were slamming the choke.
Knocked into the middle of next week. Primo wasn't ready for that. From behind. Wait a minute. Looks like a table's coming into play here. Oh, with the bulldog.
Oh, snap.
How awesome was that?
That was pretty awesome, yo.
You can't stop pain. Ladder and flesh both appear in worse condition.
LB.
He's got hold of that ladder, and he's heading back inside the ring. Ouch! Just Kane. He's got him up.
Oh, yeah.
And now beginning the long climb up. Oh,
All right, I'll guard you.
big red machine. Grabbing him right on the head with that tombstone. Oh, careful. Whoa. Look how groggy he looked. Almost there. And Kane powers his way back into the match.
No.
The big red monster was put here on Earth for one reason. Heading back up the ladder. Again, this is no disqualification. That's right. If he finds an object under that... Oh, don't slip.
Hurry, jump.
Oh,
Oh, too late, son. Who saw that?
didn't like that. He's got another steel
Not me.
chair. That
You
chair
suck.
landed.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. He was tipping over the ladder, and then you jumped on him. I don't know why I said I didn't see that. I'm not sure who I use my first finisher on. I'm just going to go... Oh, OMG. What the heck? Why isn't it letting
Yes,
me...
no one pay attention to me.
That was easy.
Huge shot to the midsection. It's over.
Oh, well, that is it for this time, guys. I don't know when the video is going to end.
Probably any
second. Oh, well, not. So anyway, guys, that is all for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed that tables, ladders, and chairs match. It was pretty fun. Any comments about how fun it was?
I'd say it was fun and done. Ha 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 ha.
That makes no sense.
Yeah.
As a joke.
And now we're done. So subscribe. Yeah. Bye.